What if I told you that just one specific bowl of soup, eaten every 3 days, could be the difference between struggling with your waistline and finally fitting back into your favorite jeans? Most people don't know this, but weight loss isn't just about eating less. It's about eating smarter. There's a biological reason why your body holds onto fat, and it often comes down to one thing: satiety signaling. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe that triggers your fullness hormone so effectively that you won't even think about snacking for hours. I'm talking about a chickpea-based metabolic reset soup. It is simple, delicious, and incredibly powerful. Before we dive into the kitchen, I want you to do something for me. Think about the one time of day when your cravings are at their worst. Is it late at night? Or maybe that 3 p.m. energy slump? If you've struggled with cravings lately, type yes in the comments. If you're here to support a friend or family member on their health journey, type support, because we are all in this together. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a recipe that supports your goals. Let's get started. First, we need one large onion. Onions are more than just flavor. They contain quercetin, a flavonoid that helps reduce inflammation, which is a major hidden cause of weight gain. Chop it finely, and let's head to the stove. We're using high-quality olive oil. Fry the onion over medium heat until it's translucent. Now, while that's sizzling, let's prep our base. We need 2 carrots. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene and fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar. What city are you watching from today? Write it in the comments. I love seeing how far our community reaches. Add the carrots to the pan and fry for about 3 minutes. Next, we're adding 4 stalks of celery. Celery is essentially a negative calorie food because it takes more energy to digest than it provides, but in this soup, it adds essential minerals. Mix it well. Now, for the secret weapon, garlic. I'm adding 1 large clove, finely minced. Garlic contains allicin, which has been shown to improve the body's fat-burning potential. Dear viewer, if you want more recipes like this, make sure you are subscribed. Now, let's add some heat and flavor. Red pepper and Italian herbs. These aren't just for taste. Spices increase your body's thermogenesis, meaning you burn more calories just by eating them. Sauté the vegetables over medium heat until they are fragrant. Next, we add 2 bell peppers. These are loaded with vitamin C, which helps your body synthesize carnitine, a molecule that helps your body turn fat into energy. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these for you. Share this with a friend who wants to lose weight without feeling hungry. Mix everything well and pour in your vegetable stock. This provides the volume we need to stretch the stomach and signal to the brain that we are full. Now for the star of the show, 200 grams of chickpeas. Why chickpeas? Here is the science your doctor might not have mentioned. Chickpeas are rich in resistant starch and protein. This combination slows down digestion and prevents insulin spikes. When insulin is low, your body is in fat-burning mode. When it's high, you're in fat storage mode. By eating this every 3 days, you are essentially training your body to stay in that burning zone. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. While that's simmering, let's talk about broccoli. 1 head of broccoli, chopped into florets. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that helps balance hormones, specifically estrogen, which can lead to stubborn belly fat when out of balance. If you have questions about the ingredients, ask them in the comments. I answer as many as I can. Add the broccoli, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. We want the broccoli tender but still vibrant. While that finishes, let's create our topping. In a small pan with olive oil, fry 2 tablespoons of chickpeas until they are golden brown and crunchy. This adds texture, and texture is key to psychological satisfaction when dieting. Now, the final steps for the soup base. Grab your parsley and chop it fresh. Parsley is a natural diuretic that helps flush out excess water weight. The soup is now ready for its transformation. Use a blender to process the vegetables until smooth. This creamy consistency is important. Research shows that blended soups keep people full significantly longer than solid meals because they empty from the stomach more slowly. To make it truly luxurious without the guilt, add 120 milliliters of cream. If you are dairy-free, coconut cream or almond milk works perfectly too. Mix it well until it's a beautiful velvet green-gold color. Stir in the fresh parsley. The most delicious, fat-burning soup for the whole family is ready. Top it with those crispy fried chickpeas we made earlier for that satisfying crunch. Here is the protocol. Replace your dinner with this soup every 3 days. On the other days, eat your normal healthy meals. This pulse of high fiber and protein will keep your metabolism guessing and prevent it from slowing down, which is what usually happens on a standard diet. Thank you for watching, liking, and commenting. Your support means the world to me. Bon appetit, and I will see you in the next recipe where we continue our journey to a healthier, stronger you.